internet! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you. Unfortunately, my box is a little bit, it's seen better days, I reckon. I mean, this isn't uncommon with packages. If you guys order a lot of stuff online or receive packages, you'll know this is likely to happen. And I don't expect anything less given I live in Australia, so I'm usually far away from most places. But let's just get right into the video. So, ooh, little Christmas card. Have a kawaii Christmas. That's so cool. It's like did they actually write on this or is this printed? It looks actually handwritten. Which, given the number of boxes they'd be sending out, that's insane. So obviously this is the December edition for Kawaii Box, which I'm really excited I received because over the next few weeks are going to be more pre-filmed videos because I'm going to Japan, which I'm so excited about, but it means I won't be able to film when I'm in Japan, so I've had to pre-film a few things. So I was worried I wasn't going to get the boxes in time, but I at least got Kawaii Box in time. I'm not sure I'm going to get the others, unfortunately, but I'll unbox those in January when I'm back. So first is, oh, it's a little rainbow llama. It's a little keychain. How adorable is that? So cute. I feel like Violet would really love this because she's really into llamas. So maybe I'll give that to her. And I'm guessing this is like cookies slash candies. Okay, it's like a corn snack. They're just like little, they look like ninja stars. Ninja star corn snacks. And then, what's this? Candy? Oh, it's Korean. And, oh, actually, if you flip it this way, they're rings. They're like little pastel rings. Probably more meant for children because they're very small. Like they wouldn't fit in any of my fingers. So I'm going to give these to my niece. Got like a bag of stuff I need to give her. And I think she will at least be able to wear this because it will fit her. Kind of wish they weren't rings because I felt like if they weren't rings then I could probably use them as like keychains or like badges or charms and stuff like that. Then, oh, some baubles. Pink ones with little faces on them. That's so cute. I don't have a Christmas tree, but I like them. I can still hang them up in my office at the moment. I'm guessing this is a pen, candy cane pen. I've never seen a candy cane in this shape before though. And yeah, looks like a black gel pen. Yeah, black gel pen. Matches my nail polish, I just realized. That's so cool. And actually not that uncomfortable to write with either. Oh, it's a little coin purse, like a seashell? Seashell? Yeah, seashell coin purse. Let's open this up. And okay, yeah, you can store anything you want in here. But it's a little seashell coin purse that you can at least attach to your bag or something like that. And then cleaning cloth. Oh, it's a twin star cleaning cloth. I feel like this would be way too pretty as a cleaning cloth. I would probably use it more for decoration, but that's what the whole cloth looks like. Meant for cleaning glasses, cameras. Okay, it's kind of those, oh, it's microfiber, so it's anti-static. Very cute. And the last one are some Christmas stickers, which I definitely can see myself using. These are beautiful. Neck-on original design Christmas stickers. Love it. So that's it for 2018 for Kawaii Box. I'm really excited to see what Kawaii Box has in store for 2019. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.